It is a Teresa Day.
I don't like Teresa Day.
Why not?
No.
You don't know? There are still leaves on the trees.
Why?
I don't know. I hope it snows soon. Although it's not scheduled to snow this week. Maybe next week. I've been really annoyed by how slow my phone's internet connection is to my network. And I mean, I've got Wi-Fi 6E connection. First debugging step was to get this Ethernet jack, which works just fine. But the speeds never went above like 400 megabits. So I thought, hey, maybe something's wrong with that device. So I got a second, smarter 2.5 gigabit hub for my phone. But I'm still, this was the test I just did about 2 minutes ago. I just plugged the exact same hub into my laptop and I'm getting the full 2.5 gigabits. So maybe the Android just can't handle the speeds? That's kind of weird. But do you recall?
Give me room. Don't you be going left and right?
No, I can't.
Hey, Alex, share Alex. I can't. Your peep is all the way over, Chico.
I can't see.
Okay, well then I'll stop.
Stephanie doesn't absolutely love this one, but I think this is the one we're gonna get.
That's the only one you're gonna record? Hey, ma'am, okay? I think that the algae is more practical. Yeah, this one.
2806.
Because this is actually space that is going to get used. There's no like lost, well, I don't know what that is, but. And there's not a big giant thing there. And this is what we're used to. We're able to like grab this fully, the ice, and just dump it into the material.
What we're used to in California, not what we're used to in Minnesota, but sure.
But we don't have this now?
No.
Yeah, we do. This is what we have now. No?